A warm welcome to Dilip Oaks Academy's online videos on GRE sample questions. In this video, we will look at a question of the type single answer correct. Every such question is followed by 5 options, of which only one is the correct answer. Every option will be preceded by an oval as shown here. A question here is from the topic called the coordinate geometry. It says that a triangle ABC is described by the vertices A 1, 5, B 1, 1, C 4, 1. Question is asking you to find the area of this triangle in square units. So let me tell you that several times question on coordinate geometry is solved faster using eyes than using pen and paper. Hence, it makes sense to see the diagram representing triangle ABC. Here is the first vertex A 1, 5. This is the second vertex B 1, 1. This is the third vertex C 4, 1. Now, if you connect these vertices, you can observe that triangle ABC will be a right triangle. This implies that BC can be considered as base and AB can be taken as height. Also, it can be found that length of AB is 4 units, length of BC is 3 units, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half, that is same as 0.5 into AB into BC, that is 0.5 into 4 into 3, which is 6 square units. Therefore, this is the correct option. Now, the same question can be solved using slightly different method known as observation. So, observe that between vertices A 1, 5 and B 1, 1, the x coordinate is constant. This implies that movement from A to B will be vertical. Also, between B 1, 1 and C 4, 1, the y coordinate is constant. This means the movement from B to C will be horizontal. That implies that triangle ABC must be a right triangle, and therefore AB can be taken as base, BC can be taken as height, and therefore again area of triangle ABC will be 0.5, that is same as half, into AB into BC, that is 0.5 into 4 into 3, which is 6 square units. Okay. Now, what is the key takeaway here? The key takeaway here is visualization from different perspective can give us a different solution. Thank you. You are welcome to watch the videos on other topics and visit our website for a demo class. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.